Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Charge it above 50%, turn off battery saver, and make sure no scheduled power events interrupt tests. Once done, install a Qoo battery from the Play Store and grant the app battery, usage access, and storage permissions so it can measure discharge and charge cycles accurately. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This gives you access to advanced stats. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable so app updates and uploads won't interfere. You will now collect the core measurements. First, check quick stats by entering *4636 in the dialer if the menu appears, record voltage and health fields. Then, run a Qoo battery. Let the phone discharge under normal use to about 20%, then charge to 100% while the app records effective capacity in mAh. Make sure to log cycle count, average charging current, and temperature. These numbers explain why capacity can change. Once done, export or screenshot results for comparison. You finish by interpreting the data. Compare the measured mAh to the Realme 6 Pro rated capacity. If it's below about 80%, that indicates significant wear. Once you confirm degradation, try a recalibration. Perform one full discharge to near zero, then charge uninterrupted to 100% while the phone is off or idle to reset reporting. If readings remain inconsistent or temperature and voltage look abnormal, make sure to contact an authorized service center. Otherwise, consider battery replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if measurements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.